Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the new Samsung Galaxy A71 versus the old Samsung Galaxy A70. A71 comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 chipset with 6 GB of RAM, while the Samsung Galaxy A71 comes with a new Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 chipset with 8 GB of RAM. And A71 comes with the quad cameras on the back, additional 5 megapixel macro lens which you don't see on the Samsung Galaxy A70. So let's see how much is different between the new and the old. So let's get right into it. Like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And low came up first, little bit faster on the A70. And you can see I say that was exactly the same on both phones. Maybe A71 is a little bit faster there, but I have to say that was exactly the same on both phones. And you can see no difference there in the booting up speed. And you can see both phones comes with a very beautiful 6.7-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display, and you know that the Super AMOLED display is one of the best displays on the market right now. And also we have an Infinity O display on the A71 versus a Infinity U display on the Samsung Galaxy A70. And also Samsung Galaxy A71 is running on Android 10 right out the box versus Android 9 on the Samsung Galaxy A70. Everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones as you can see. So first application I'm gonna open is the phone dialer. Here we go. And you can see that was exactly the same on both phones, no difference there, and animation is much smoother on the new Samsung Galaxy A71 with the One UI 2.0 versus One UI 1.0 on the Samsung Galaxy A70. I hope the Android 10 is coming very soon for the A70 as well. Let's opening up the settings, and again about the same on both phones, no difference there. Let's see the calculator, and again about the same on both phones. Let's see the Amazon shopping app, and that is little bit faster on the Samsung Galaxy A71 followed by the A70. Let's opening up the My Clock system based application, and that seems like a little bit faster on the A70, but I have to say that animation is feels very smoother on the Samsung Galaxy A71. Let's open some more apps. We have the calendar application on both phones. Here we go, and you can see a little bit faster on the A70 followed by the A71. Let's opening up the Spotify, and little bit faster on the A70 again. Let's launch some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga, and let's see how much is different between a Snapdragon 730 versus a Snapdragon 675, and you can see exactly the same on both phones. Let's see the Subway Surfer, and you can see Infinity O display looks very beautiful on the A71, and you can see same result, and also both phones is on their latest software version. Let's open up my files, again about the same. Let's see the YouTube on both phones, boom, and faster on the A71 little bit followed by the A70. So last game application I'm gonna open is the Temple Run 2, and let's see who is perform better. And so far both phones perform about the same, and little bit faster on the A71, millisecond difference there, and you can see. And last time I'm gonna launching the cameras on both phones. Here we go, and that is faster on the A71 followed by the A70, and A71 comes with a main 64 megapixel main sensor versus a 32 megapixel main sensor on the A70, and also we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide versus a 12 megapixel ultra wide on the Samsung Galaxy A71. And you can see, let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default internet browser on both phones. So next on the list is the Amazon.com, and Let's see who is perform faster. And you can see again Samsung Galaxy A71 is definitely faster in internet browsing speed than the A70. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see both phones perform equal. We don't have any lag on both phones perform very smooth. Now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. Very interesting part of this video because we have a lot of apps, and let's see who is perform better in the RAM measurement. Phone dialer, that is not refresh on both phones. Let's see the settings. Again no refresh, and we have 6 GB RAM versus 8 GB RAM on the new one. So calculator, again no refresh. Let's see the Amazon, no refresh. Let's see my clock, again no refresh. Let's see the calendar, again no refresh. Let's see the Spotify, and again no refresh. Candy Crush, no refresh on both phones. Both phones perform really good in the RAM measurement performance. You can see again same result. My files, YouTube, Temperan 2, and last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is about the same on both phones in system based application as well as a game app loading time, but the UI is feels more smoother on the A71 because we have a new software version on the A71 right out the box. RAM measurement is absolutely incredible on both phones. I'm really impressed by the performance of the A70 after 1 year. This phone is doing very great job after 1 year. So thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A71 versus the Samsung Galaxy A70. Let me know what you guys think about this new Samsung Galaxy A71. It is worth it over the A70. I say it is worth it because we have a better 64 megapixel sensor, much advanced looking display on the A71, and the speaker quality is also much better on the A71. And subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.